Today, we solve a mystery. Why things float.
Something go down fast.
Magic! It's science! It's science! Pattern forming!
Density?
Yes! Light things float better. Oops! Science is messy. Floating depends on density. Perfect landing on the high five. Now look, the shimmering effect is intensifying just as I predicted. Today, we discover what makes the wind move. Wow! Wow! Wind has power. Wind direction captured. Wind is strong! Too strong! Warm air rises, cool air moved in. That's wind.
Mine looks funny.
Wind lifts everything.
Look at the colors up there. I wonder if the atmospheric pressure is changing the luminescence.
According to my readings, the gradient shift is accelerating.
Today, we learn how heat works. Heat can change solid to liquid. Heat can change solid to liquid. Heat travels through touch, air, and light. Heat moves everywhere. Never touch fire. Always have water ready. Cold steals my heat. Warm air rises. It's flying. This mist is the first step of the water cycle. Warmth turns water into vapor. Look, a real mini cloud. Clouds grow when water vapor cools.
Rain happens when the cloud gets too full.
This is precipitation.
Water returns to lakes, ready to start again. How exactly does the light refract through the moisture to create this spectrum, Benny?
The angle is crucial. I'm noting the coordinates now.
Static electricity. Let's explore it today. Rubbing gives the balloon electric charge. It attracts the paper. Like magic. Electric charge pushes the fur upward. Same charges push apart. Opposites attract, same charges repel. We're charged up! Look! The chronosparks are stabilizing the anti-gravity balloons.
Incredible! The readings match my projections.
My lantern. Tonight, we learn why the moon changes shape.
It's changing.
We only see the moon's bright side from different angles. Shadows happen when something blocks the light. Moonlight also makes shadows, just softer. The water is coming closer. Why? Why? The moon's gravity pulls the ocean, creating tides. Low tide, low tide, then high tide. All because of the moon.
The reflection is stunning, but why is it so silver tonight?
According to my readings, it's the angle of the soft wind.
Look! The chronosparks are stabilizing the anti-gravity balloons.
Incredible! The readings match my projections.
My lantern. Tonight, we explore the planets. These are the planets of our solar system.
Earth is blue because of all the water.
Mars is red because of iron-rich dust. It's huge! Over 1,1300 Earths could fit inside. Saturn's rings are made of ice and rocks. Planets move around the sun in orbits.
The planets are beautiful tonight. I wonder how they make that light.
It is fascinating. I must write this down.
What's beneath our feet is more incredible than you think. This is what's inside the Earth. The mantle is hot rock that moves slowly.
It's so shiny.
The inner core is solid metal, even hotter than the sun's surface. All these layers make our amazing planet.
Wow, look at the atmosphere. Is that where the clouds are formed?
According to my readings, the troposphere seems unusually active tonight.
The crust is thin, everything we live on. The outer core is liquid metal, super hot.